This is Dr. McElligott. I'm here to talk to you about my favorite CPAP mask in the whole world. I've got 10, 12, maybe even up to 11 years or 12 years, I'm not sure, of using this after using 25 different plastic masks. And I thought maybe it was me, but then I checked with one of my best friends, Tim Ridley, on Nemo Radio, and he had gone through 20-something masks before he tried the cloth mask, which I recommended to him. This is the cloth mask. This is what it looks like when it's not hooked up to all of this stuff. And just to give you an idea of what the advantages are is comfort. And if you're a toss and turner like I am, it makes a big difference because the mask stays with you no matter what you're doing. As a matter of fact, when I get up in the morning, sometimes I forget I have it on, except for the straps. But the mask part is soft. It's my favorite color, Duke Blue, and I highly recommend it. And we'll be giving you little vignettes of why it's the best mask that I can imagine. And try it. Okay, this is the mask with the straps. And it's very easy to put on and off. And basically what you want to do is make sure that on the back side that you can read the label, and it says SleepWeaver, and it says Elan, E-L-A-N. And when you put it on, after you've been fitted, you bring it down over your nose, and you'll hook it up to your CPAP tubing, which is right here, and you're ready to go. Then you hit your button and it will blow up and seal around your nose. And if you notice, this is real soft and it doesn't cause any problems. And look at my straps, they're nice and loose. And I don't wake up in the morning looking like I've been in a headlock all night by my wife. The next topic is how you clean your mask, and it's very simple. And I'm going to show you the one that's attached to the hoses. And I basically take the entire segment with the hoses and I put them in a washing machine and wrap them around the little gizmo that sticks up there, and put a certain amount of hot water in there. It's called fast, and it doesn't wash for as long. And I put in 2/3 a cup of Clorox and I wash it. Now it does two things. One, it gets rid of the oil that can attach on here, and if you're an oily skinned person like I am, and it actually comes very, very clean and looks brand new. But these still have to be replaced from time to time. Now, the mask part gets cleaned as well, and the hoses do too. Now, when you get through with the cleaning part, you disconnect. You disconnect the tubing, and you let the tubing sort of drip dry, and you hang this up on something so it can air dry. And you're ready to go for another week or so. Now, the advantages of cleaning it with the Clorox and the tubing is that it does help get rid of that CPAP cough, which you'll get regardless of the mask. Okay, there's one more topic that we need to cover, and that's the learning curve. And that goes with any CPAP mask or machine that you use. And with the Elan, the cloth mask, it is a little bit easier, because if you take your time and you fit it and you remember, it's like a parachute that sits over your face, and if you just put it on without the machine on, you can sit there and blow it back and forth, and you can see how it seals. So you want to remember that. And then when you set your straps, don't set them too tight. You want them nice and comfortable. And remember, the more tubing you have, like I put on an extension on mine because I turned back and forth. It may take you a few more nights to get perfectly comfortable. not because of the mask, because of placing the tube and putting it in the right position on your body so that you're able to turn back and forth. But it's an excellent invention, and I strongly recommend it. Thank you.